Once upon a time, in a little village surrounded by the enchanted whispering woods, lived a young girl named Elara. Elara was known far and wide for her honesty. She had the most sparkling eyes, and her heart was as pure as the first snowfall of winter. From a young age, Elara was taught by her mother that honesty was the best policy, and she carried this lesson with her wherever she went. One sunny morning, as Elara was skipping through the village square, the village elder, old man Tiberius, stopped her. He looked at her with his wise old eyes and said, "Elara, my dear, we need help. The animal friends in the Whispering Woods have started losing their way. We believe there's something magical behind it. Perhaps you can help us find out what's happening." Elara, ever ready for an adventure, agreed. She donned her favorite blue cloak and set off towards the Whispering Woods. As she entered the forest, she noticed something strange. The normally cheerful birds were silent, and the playful squirrels seemed lost. Suddenly, a shimmering light appeared in front of her, and from this light emerged a tiny fairy named Sylvie. Sylvie had golden wings and a worried expression on her face. She fluttered close to Elara and whispered, "Oh, dear Elara, the magic in this forest has gone awry. The enchanted crystal, which keeps the balance in the forest, has been hidden away by a greedy magician." Elara knew she had to help. The fairy led her to a secret path that wound deep into the heart of the forest. There, in a clearing, guarded by an enormous sleeping dragon, lay the crystal. Elara had an idea. Approaching the dragon with caution, she softly spoke, "Dear dragon, I come in honesty. We wish no harm, only to restore the forest balance. Please, let us retrieve the crystal." The dragon, moved by her honesty and courage, slowly opened its eyes. With a gentle nod, it shifted its massive body, allowing Elara and Sylvie to approach the crystal. Together, they safely retrieved the crystal and returned it to its rightful place, high upon a pedestal where the sun and moon could share their light on it. As the balance was restored, the forest came alive once more. Birds chirped, and the air was filled with the sweet scent of blooming flowers. Returning to the village, Elara was greeted with cheers and gratitude. Old man Tiberius smiled and said, "Elara, you've shown us all the power of honesty and bravery." And from that day on, Elara became known not just as the honest girl, but as the brave savior of the Whispering Woods, forever celebrated in stories and songs throughout the land.